Mama.
Can I just change my name? Oh, hey guys, it's Marissa here. I am going to show you how to make homemade gluten-free bread. Bread is literally so multi-purpose. You can use it for a ton of things. Kind of like that old t-shirt that you can't fit into anymore, but you can use it for so many different things. Did I just refer delicious bread to an old raggedy shirt? I love bread. Bread is a staple in my diet. I have a problem eating it though because all the breads that I love to consume have gluten. And gluten and meat, we do not mix well. And it does not mix well with Liam either. So I tried to go to gluten-free bread. But all of the gluten-free breads have ingredients lists longer than my leg. I mean, my leg's not that long because I'm only 5 feet tall, but you know what I mean. The ingredients list is ridiculous. Like, who puts all that shit inside of the bread? Anyways, so when you do make this recipe, I want you to also know that you have to freeze it. What I like to do is I cut it in smaller portion size pieces and freeze them. Put them in the freezer. You can wrap them with wax paper or parchment paper and put them in the freezer because there is no preservatives. It is whole food, no shelf stability kind of ingredients. It is simple, very, very simple. So check this out. Oh, and don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe down at the bottom. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because if you don't hit it, you won't know when I post out videos. Post videos. What does it matter what it means? You know what I mean. All right, check out the recipe. What you're gonna need is a jar to start off your yeast. You'll need 2 teaspoons of yeast. I am using this instant yeast. Yeast loves sugar. I've tried it with honey. I've tried it with other sugar alternatives like maple syrup, but it does not activate the same way. You will also need 1 cup of water, preferably room temperature water because yeast does not like cold water at all. It actually slows down and keeps them dormant and does not start eating the sugar. And what you want to see is your yeast eating the sugar. That's how you know it is activated. I'm gonna give this a nice little stir. And we're gonna wait for it to activate. Okay, friends, you see those fancy bubbles in there? That is exactly how you want your yeast starter to look, because that means the yeast has activated the sugar and it is ready to go. Okay, now that our yeast has started doing its work, time to make our bread. So we're gonna put 1 cup of sprouted buckwheat flour or buckwheat flour in general, about 2 pinches of salt, and another 1/2 cup of the flour. So altogether 2.5 cups. Sorry, I'm lying, 1.5 cups. So now that you've mixed the salt and flour together, you're gonna wanna make sure that you mix it really, really, really well. And you're gonna want to incorporate your yeast. So you're gonna wanna drizzle a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil, don't mind the dough all over it. But avocado oil is fantastic for high heat temperature. And you're gonna wanna just get that in there really nice so the bread does not stick to the sides when you bake it. All right. And you're just gonna want to smooth it out just the slightest. It is super dense right now. You're gonna want to get yourself a damp tea towel and cover this for about an hour. Okay, so it's been 2 hours. I feel like this has been the longest 2 hours of my life. And it has risen just the slightest, but not very, very much. Just because it's a very, very dense flour, buckwheat is. So it's not gonna be as expandable, is that the word I'm looking for? Expandable as like white flour or whole grain flour or bread flour. So this is what it's gonna look like, and we're gonna pop it in the oven. I have the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna put it in there for about 30 minutes. That's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed watching it and learning how to make some healthy bread, some healthy homemade bread, even better. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ding the bell. All right, guys, have a lovely, lovely day. Bye. You look like Owlette.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. Here. Nice.